'cause it all makes sense when we take it back to the age of innocence.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Mew Bunskip here, and today we are back on Survival SMP thingy on this server with me and Tommy. And as you can tell, Tommy's not here. It is only me on the server right now because Tommy's on a trip. And he told me, oh, don't play without me, wait till Monday. And I'm like, no. I was like, no. So today, like last night, I thought of a plan for a specific building we're going to be doing. And I've got a list of what we should be doing right here in chat. It says, start blacksmiths, gather cobble, and lava. So we have 3 things to do this episode. And yeah, so I hope you stick around and enjoy the entire episode. So over the past couple days, Tommy's done a couple things on his own, even though he said, oh, we're only going to play together. So that's why I'm recording this video without him. First off, he's got this. Timber's items. No looksies, please. Thank you. Now, I don't know about Tommy, but he is known to go very fast in this game. But, true to my word, I will not look in his chest, and we will see sooner or later what he has hidden in here for us. But, as you saw in the... Oh, as you can probably see outside, like he's got this down. He put down some crafting tables in the doorway. He dug up all the gravel, so I had to replace it with dirt. And up here, he's got a little farm going. A nice and cute little farm. So, not that I had an idea for a farm, but I guess this works too, so I'm totally fine with this. Let me just harvest this real quick. Because, he also got a ton of food. I'll show you in a sec. He has a bunch of food. I think I got another seed. Look at all that. He's got 12 cooked chicken, 19 steak, 20 pork chops, 25 lamb chops. Like, what? I'm assuming this iron armor he made for me. Which means he has gone mining and he's got iron. Like, I went mining earlier, just for a little bit, and got 8 iron so I could make some iron picks. But, looks like he went seriously mining, so now I'm even more curious as to what he's got in his chest. So I was thinking of putting the blacksmith shop right here, because I want it in a hillside, kind of. But I don't know where that would be best. I wish these leaves would be spawned. Maybe here. Because it's got like a nice vein of rock coming down here. That might be a good idea. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, probably right here. Or let's check over here on this side. Over there. Maybe here? I mean, it's a little... I don't like it being on the same side. Yeah, let's go with our original plan. I think that will look best for my idea. So let's get right over here. Alright, so right here, we're going to dig this out. And this is where the blacksmith shop is going to be for this town. So let me dig this out and I'll be right back. So at this point, we've given ourselves some room to work here. So we are going to, like I've said, we're going to build a blacksmith shop. Now, blacksmiths, when you think of them, they're usually thought of with stone and with lava and metal. So we are going to need lots of cool stone, or just cobblestone really. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to need 1, 2 of that. And kind of like, we're kind of going to go up 1 block with cobble. Oh, we need a bit more cobble. Make up some more cobble real quick. Alright, so now we're going to take our slabs and we're going to make 1 step up. So on the outside, it's going to kind of look like a villager blacksmith, but only on the outside. So let's take our spruce wood here. We'll go 2, 3. And then there's that. We'll kind of make this a little more tidy by doing this. And then it's 4 blocks, and it'll be fine. 2, 3, 4. Oops, too high. So like I said, I planned this all out in my sleep last night. So it's not 100%, but it's gonna look awesome. So yeah, because this mountain is in the mountains, spruce wood is kind of going to be a theme for a lot of buildings. Not all buildings, but a lot of them. Which will make for some pretty interesting builds. Because you're not going to want to stray from that theme. So it's kind of in the shape of a villager's one, you see? Where this is 4 blocks, this is 7 blocks. And now, we're going to want lots of spruce planks to go like this. There's a window. Oops. No, I think I'm doing this wrong, because that needs to be cobble, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. I'm not sure which looks better. I think that maybe we could change the ground out for stone. Let me see if this makes it look better. We'll put that down into the ground because it's kind of a support beam, so it's got to be supporting it. And it's not giving me what I want. Oh god damn it, I go AFK first. 1 second. 1 second and I dive to a zombie. I am so done with this game. So done. Well, let's see. I screwed up on those because those are supposed to be cobblestone. The cross support beams. And then there are supposed to be fences on the 2 side support beams. So yeah, that's where I screwed up. There we go, that's what it's supposed to be. That's much better looking. The entire ceiling's gotta be cobblestone, doesn't it? Shoot. Well, we can change that. That's fine. Just gotta go gather more cobblestone. At least stone for the top of the ceiling. We've got a lot of. Yeah, I don't like this. This is gonna be spruce. So we're gonna bring this out. 2, 3. And then like that. Perfect. We're gonna want to cover this back wall also in spruce planks. This back wall is gonna be the stairway down into the actual blacksmith shop. And fences. Yeah. Right? No. Incorrect. There we go. Okay. Now it's starting to come together. Seems like it's deep a little bit too much. I'm sorry, I'm figuring this out as I go, kind of. So we've got the basic layout of the place done. We're gonna put some furnaces for lava and cooking on the wall. We're gonna replace 3 back with cobblestone. Here we'll put furnaces all around it. Wait, no. No. Put them sideways. There we go. So now we've got furnaces, and then we can put the lava back there. Make the back wall cobble. Perfect. Now we just repeat this 2 more times. Perfecto Patronum. So now we have 3 furnaces, and then we will put lava inside of them. That's why I said we get lava this episode, but I don't think we have time for that. We've run a little long. But I definitely think this is coming along great. So next episode we will finish this off, or it will be done by next episode. Not sure if I want to spend more time on it today. But that will be all for today. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the episode, go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button down below. We will find out what Tommy has in that chest, because I am curious to see how far he's gotten in this game. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Jane!
Damn.